Hey everyone, welcome back. Can't log in into PayPal, getting an incorrect email or password error even though you know it's right, or PayPal keeps sending you in a loop. Here's exactly what to do. First, make sure you're using the right email. PayPal is case sensitive and many people have multiple email addresses. Check carefully. If you're sure the email is right, tap having trouble logging in or forgot password on the screen. PayPal will send a code or recent link to your email. Open your Gmail app and then find the messages from PayPal and follow the link to set a new password. And now, if you're not getting the reset email, then click on the three-line option in the top right left corner and check your spam and trash or junk folder first. PayPal emails sometimes end up there. If it's not in spam either, make sure that the email address you've entered is actually the one you've registered with your PayPal account. Also, turn off any VPN before trying to log in into PayPal. PayPal flags logins from VPN addresses as suspicious and may block them or require extra verification. So all you gotta do is check the right email, tap forgot password, check the spam for reset email and turn off VPN. You'll be back into PayPal. Subscribe for more PayPal fixes.